I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing scope and method so you don't redo work later. If you want every device blocked, use the router. For one computer, use the host's file or browser extension. Make sure you have admin credentials ready. Without them, you will be stopped. Once decided, locate the appropriate settings: router admin page, Windows host's file, or browser extensions page. This first step saves time and ensures the block applies where you intend it to, preventing accidental bypasses. Now you implement the block step by step. If using the host's file, open it as admin, add 127, 0, 0, 1 YouTube, com and www, YouTube, com, save and flush DNS. If using the router, log in, find parental controls or domain filtering, add YouTube, com and apply to all devices, then reboot the router. If using a browser extension, install a site blocker, add YouTube, com to the blacklist, and set any schedules or PIN protections. Make sure to test in a private window after each change. Finish by verifying the block across devices and browsers so you confirm success. Try accessing YouTube. If it still loads, clear browser cache and flush DNS. Make sure no VPN, proxy, or alternate DNS is bypassing your rules. Disable them or enforce router-level DNS like family filters. If entries were missed, reapply host/router rules, reboot devices, and retest. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable the blocker to observe error messages, which often reveal whether DNS, HTTP.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.